What is going on? It's your boy Leadership Monhla, the biggest, of course. I'm at home right now. So last week I introduced something really amazing that I'll be doing every single day. It's called daily trading. So we actually get up every single day, 10 o'clock, between 10 and 12 o'clock, prepare for the day, and I go live on my Telegram channel. You're obviously sharing market setups, market direction, and obviously catching entry points if the entry is available at that time. If not, we do share the entries and obviously what to expect. To look at about 3 or 4 pairs on a daily basis. You know, this is definitely to help a lot of people improve and have a proper trading structure on a daily basis. You know, I'm doing this because obviously I have a lot of time in my hands. I'm always just working from home. Everything I do, pretty much 90% of what I do, I just need to be home. You know, I just need to be on my laptop, on my phone, whether it be just trading or just running any other businesses that that I'm busy with. You know, so that's very important. And a lot of people have been asking, because the biggest motivation for this was because of the private trading camps we've been hosting. And I was like, you know what, private trading camps are fully based around our lives on a daily, the trading experiences that happen on a daily basis. You know, so I decided to initiate this. It's called daily trading with leadership, of course. You know, daily market sessions, call it whatever you want to call it. It's all about being profitable, making money. So we're about to go into the house now and look at the chart. You know, I'm gonna be doing this off my phone because I want to be as realistic as possible. I mean, 90% of traders in the world honestly spend 90% of their trading time on their phone. You know, people are hardly on their laptops, pretty much just on laptops to really prepare on the weekend or when you can. But when you're driving, when you're on the road, when you're at work, when you're at school, or wherever you're at, getting up to whatever you're getting up to, you're not on a laptop. You're basically on the phone and looking at the direction of the market, the chart, and seeing what's possible. So I'm gonna do this for you on a realistic platform, but obviously I'll be sharing a whole lot more on a laptop. But this, I want to show you guys how my day is. I've been up. I haven't taken any trades today. However, I closed 33,000 in the morning around 6 o'clock, I think, from trades that I held over the weekend from an entry point we actually called on Friday at around 12 o'clock in the market trading session that day. So these sessions are going to happen every single day. I'm going to try to film all of them and drop every single day. I'll try my best. I mean, life gets really busy. Like right now, I'm supposed to have the session at 12, and at 10. And it's already past 12, but I'm going to go ahead because I did update everybody, because outside of this, I do have a personal life, and I wake up in the morning, I get up to whatever I have to get up to. But I love doing this. I love sharing this here, I love empowering people. So that's what's very important, you know. So if you're seeing this for the first time, you just go here, get ready, because every single day, make sure you go into my Telegram channel. You join our daily live trading sessions. You know, yeah, just trade with the biggest, RCG. So let's get inside, let's get into the chart, and let's see what opportunities we can see today. You know, but what do you guys think about Kelly's Mustang, though? I think it's fire. I'm not a fan. Show them the color. I don't need that. I'm not a fan of the color, like. And keep in mind, Kelly's both cars right now. So including the Polo. So Kelly's Jeep, which has been, I think, gone for about 6 months now. He's rebuilding the engine and struggling to get certain parts, but hopefully he wins. You know, so he's rebuilding the entire engine and forging the entire engine. It's gonna be really crazy when it comes back, but he's struggling with certain parts because he's importing them, I think, from America or China. I don't know where exactly, but Kelly's both cars. His Jeep is also maroon. That's crazy. That's the crazy part. His Jeep is also maroon, and this is his Mustang, also maroon. But I don't like. I'm not really fucking with the color. I don't think this color is like bangs like that. But it's nice when it's clean. I was driving it over the weekend, so you can see I was whipping it like crazy. Right? What do you guys think about it? I mean, still in mint condition. I won't lie. Came through the original rims. I think these are 20s. These 20s are 19s. And these are 90s. You know, came through the original rims. So yeah, man, looks fine. Even inside, I don't know if you guys want to have a look inside. Let's show them inside before we have that session. Show them inside. So this car is literally still in mint condition. Okay, I'll excuse whatever you see, guys. I was driving. I was the one driving. So it's still mint. Still smells very brand new. So it says your Mustang. If you guys have a look here, I'll show them here. You see, it says your Mustang since 1964. Ford Mustang. So it's really in mint condition. I won't cap. I wish a Mustang had a sunroof. I didn't know it didn't have a sunroof, this car. But I guess it's like the M4. I think the M4 coupes don't have a sunroof. I wonder what's the reason, guys. Let's go search that up. Check why the Mustangs don't have a sunroof and the M4. Yeah, let's check why they don't have sunroofs, because obviously they are fast cars. There must be a reason. Tell me in the comments, why do you think a Mustang and M4 coupe, not convertible. My M4 is a convertible, not a convertible coupe. I don't know. But no lie, guys, this car is fire, bro. And on the road, it's crazy. This is a 5-liter V8, as far as I'm concerned. I think it's a 5-liter V8. Yeah, I think that. I don't know. This car is fire, man. Just found my cam. I'm gonna snap on that shit. Hey, what's this thing? Chichiboya. It's the Chichiboya reason. Yeah, let's snap on that shit. But let's get inside, guys. And see exactly what the graph has for us today. Plenty meta cash. That's the Mozambican coins, though. On the channel right now, as you guys can see, it's amazing. There's over 10,000 people here in the space of 3 months, and we share market breakdown on a daily. You can see right there, analysis, entry points, everything is here. So to enter this channel, just click on the link in the description of the video, or on my Instagram bio is there. And yeah, but I'm about to go live, so let's go live and then start live stream. Let's see how many people. 141. Okay, cool. So at about 180 we'll start. So I'll start having a conversation about the NASDAQ that we had. So the NASDAQ that we actually had, the NASDAQ we had that day, that we took that day. Let me see. Let me look at the chart right now. So the NASDAQ that we had, the sell that we took, is actually still dropping. So I exited the trade, but it's still dropping. I saw this drop, and I knew that we can still catch it. So yeah, it's dropped really nice. Yeah, because we caught this out really sick at that high there, and I closed 33,000 rand in profits. So, oh, that's Kelly calling me. Yo, I can't answer this call, man. Can't answer this call. Let me go. Perfect. So yeah, we're back. So let me share my screen now. Share screen. So basically, guys, we're having these daily market training sessions where we actually look at the chart. Because most importantly, share screen. I'm just gonna give you guys just a normal daily experience of how it is, like my life every day, how I get up. And these times where I'm actually delayed, where I come onto the chart very late, it's not because I'm choosing to be late. It's just like I'm just giving an experience of how my life is. Like it gets that busy, so, and I'm being as transparent as possible. So let's get into the chart. I think let me stop the podcast first before to just clear something real quick. So you guys see my personal stuff. Then share screen again. Start broadcasting. There we go. So today we're speaking about let's go first. Let's look at NASDAQ. So MT4, my account on MT4. So MT4, this is my account. So you guys can see. So this is how I closed. I mean, I knew it was not drop more, but I closed because I was looking at the fact that it might pull back to here on 1 hour. So I was like, you know what, now let me actually let it actually turn first. So I'm putting my phone landscape so you guys actually see that properly. So yeah, so right now we're in landscape. This is the NASDAQ result. So if you guys remember, if you're in the session last week Friday, I'm gonna remove this, delete this. We sold NASDAQ on this high right here. So sold NASDAQ on this high right here. On this high right here. So obviously saw that it's gonna drop, and after it dropped from there, what are we looking at now? So I want to look at current price. What are we estimating? Is NASDAQ still going to drop? Remember we said that it would come, it's supposed to come all the way down here. So we're very confident with our drop, because our low, overall low that we're expecting NASDAQ to come to is around about there, and then our second low there obviously is right there. So pretty much confident on daily. I mean, on 1 hour it's still dropping. So let's go on to 30 minutes and see whether can we join this sell. So you can see 30 minutes very nice. What the price that there has been dropping. So came and gave us a low. After this low, you can see this very same zone. The market has created a high right under that same zone. So we are still looking for more sell opportunities. I mean, it's been dropping a bit. Go to 15 minutes. Is it still good for a sell? This is 15 minutes. 15 minutes currently as we speak is pulling back to the previous low and is about to make a new high. So definitely NASDAQ is about to give us a new high on 15 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes and see if 5 minutes is telling us the same thing. Definitely. So 5 minutes shows that NASDAQ is pulling in on that previous low, trying to make a new high. So what we want to see the market do here, it must come and obviously resist right here where I've placed my white market, my white rectangle there, that white zone that I placed there. It must resist that and then obviously drop, then we start taking our sells. So NASDAQ, pretty much simple. If it breaks into that area there, and then we're gonna start looking for buying opportunities, you know. So very simple. But what I want to speak about most importantly is the other trade that we took last week is AUDCHF. It seemed okay, we're in profits. AUDCHF is a trade we took last week. So this is my funded account, as you can see, with RCG and Comit Capital. I'm funded here with 4 million rand. We held this trade from last week. I think I also took this trade live, as far as I can remember. Yeah, I think I took this trade live. Yeah, we did trade this trade live. So you can see that sell there on H4. So I knew very well. So if you look at it, if you guys remember my analysis on H4 when I was sharing it, it was very simple. That we saw the price dropping from this high right there. It was coming down from this high, and as we were highlighting how the price has moved from that high, we could easily see very powerful, significant lows, highs and lows that are very strong. As you can see, price was obviously pushing up. After it hit that high there, price definitely dropped. It dropped to give us a new low area there. This is the new low section that it gave us, the low zone. After that, obviously it pulled back to come back and retrace that and respect it. And then price dropped again, as you can see right there. It dropped from after that high, giving us a sell. It dropped again, and then pulling back up to give us another selling opportunity at the zone, right there on the zone. So I don't want to, just make it very thin. Right there on that zone, and just move this on a bit high there. Yeah, so you can see it. That's the zone there. And it gave us a sell. So I saw this sell. I knew that definitely it's time to go down, because I want to go in 1 hour. You can see it's like a 5/5 top, like kept going up to resist. Even right now it's pulled back up to just add more sell opportunities, because we are definitely dropping out on AUDCHF. Very nice, you know, still confirming, so still good for sell. I go to 30 minutes, definitely. So it's still good for sell. This trade is definitely still good for sell. I can actually scale in, because if you guys look there, that all these highs, all these resistant areas, we have about how many selling opportunities? We have one here. Yeah, I think this is, let me just show you guys there. This is the first selling point we see. The second one is here. The third one, the fifth, and the sixth one is here. But you can see, however, it's been giving us sells as it drops. So let's look at 15 minutes. Can 15 minutes, is there any more entry points in 15 minutes? But you can see there, the previous entry point it gave us on 15 minutes, gave us a high. After giving us that high, it dropped. And when it pulled back up, if you look closely, if you pull back up, gave us another high that's a sell on the previous low. Right after giving us an H4 high there, obviously the price dropped. These are all the extra entry points that we could have taken. It dropped again. After dropping, came to give us another high. So you can see price dropped, came to give us another high there. You know, very nice. You can see another high there. Then it dropped again. What is this? So this obviously technical awareness is very simple. After the price dropped, came back to give us another selling point on the previous low. So previous low obviously becomes a new high. Very simple. And another one again here, price dropped again. After it dropped, came back and gave us obviously a new high. And this is the current entry point. So as you can see right now, it's currently pulling back. It is pulling back because it has bounced off the overall low of this zone. So if you look at, if I go back to 1 hour, when I say overall low of the zone, there is a certain price that this price has been failing or has been fighting to break. This low has been attempted 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Price is failing to break it, and I wouldn't say it's failing, because you can see right now on the last attempt, it went in, almost broke it, and now it's pulling back. So on 1 hour, we should expect this pullback to come back into our zone right about here, giving us obviously heads and shoulders right there, confirming the heads and shoulders. So let me just do this, just gonna highlight there. So pull back in, touch there. So it's definitely still good for sell even now. Pulls back in. That's the zone. That's the highest zone I see it actually push into this zone here. Should actually turn way below that because of NASDAQ. And if it does push up, we should go back to our entry point. But still comfortable. Even if you take entries now, there's not much negative. And I'm gonna go in on this one actually. Very comfortable. So AUDCHF definitely still good. And it's sitting. If you guys look in 15 minutes, it is sitting on a previous low, making it a new high in 15 minutes. So very confident. That's definitely good for entry point now. I'm very confident, as you can see right there. So even the two prices, I mean, I'm estimating that it will come all the way up here. But even if it doesn't, I'm happy with this entry point here. If it does, I'll just add more entry points. I'm already in profit of like 12,000 since this is. I'm gonna go in with more trades. I would add in smaller lots, so 0.8. Just scaling in, really. This is how you scale in. Scaling in. Oh shucks! Did I just press buy? Jesus. Jesus. Oh God, I pressed buy by mistake. Guys, these things happen, man. You can just take these losses. That was one hell of a mistake. But yeah, I mean, this is the reality of it. Oh, I can bulk on it. Can I say? I don't want to close the trades though. Bulk operations. Close. No. Close. Buy. Oh, this is the buys, man. Close you buy positions. Let me see. Ash. Bro, how much did I lose? Let me see how much I lost. Okay, 500 rand. Not bad, but it's still crazy. Ash. Okay, let me go into my entry again. So I was trying to sell. Fuck, this is so crazy. Sell. Because I want like 20 entries on this. So my margin is still good. I mean, deep profits. I've scaled in, so I can actually go in very hard on this. Even it won't take me out. It won't be. It's not a. So I'm going in quite heavy. I'm scaling in. I'm in deep profit. So scaling in, the best thing about scaling in is that when you're in profits like this and you're scaling in, there's not much to lose. Like you're pretty much trading with your floating profits. With leveraging, guys, knowing how to use the leverage. This is how we do it. And when it drops from here, it's gonna be a different story. So this is how we do it. Yeah, I think I'm comfortable with that. Yeah, that's it, the AUDCHF. So AUDCHF pretty much still doing what we said we would do. That's exactly what we wanted to do. You can see that 15 minutes is dropping, 5 minutes is pulling back, as you guys can see right there. 1 minute. So 1 minute is definitely on upside momentum. So I'm definitely very confident about this drop. I mean, it's been happening. It's been like that. You guys look at H4. Oh, my H4 is so beautiful. I want an overall drop to here. So on H4, I want an overall drop to here. That's where I want AUDCHF to go, and hopefully break it. Like I want probably before the end of the year, if it could just break this and come all the way down. I mean, look at daily. If it could just come all the way down here, going into the new year, right there, I will be extremely happy. But these are just the targets. The daily target is definitely is at 056. Breaking that, obviously, will take it a bit lower to this zone here. So yeah, let's see how it plays out. Overall, but this is AUDCHF. Pretty much, it's nothing hectic. So this you can see. Just waiting for it to play out here. Chilling comfortable. This is my funded account, so I want to grow it. I want to make a withdrawal here of 100k this week on this account as well, because it's part of my training plan. So I have to push my current profits here is 133,000. So if I could make 70,000 rand this week, I'll be able to withdraw 100,000 and just keep going, because next week is I'm withdrawing with RCG. So 1 week I withdraw with Comit, next week with RCG. So 100,000 a week from Comit and RCG. So this week I'm supposed to do it with Comit, so I must trade really heavy. And then this week's trades for RCG, the profits I will withdraw next week. It's just part of having a proper trading plan. And yeah, let's go into another chart. Let's analyze something else. But let's go to MT4 because I want to catch a trade here. NASDAQ, let's look at something like, somebody asked me about EURUSD. Somebody who DM'd me and asked me about EURUSD. They asked me if I'm still seeing a buy on EURUSD. Why did he say buy though? Delete. Let me just delete some analysis. How do you delete all of these things at the same time?
Side.
So wait. How do you? I never ever delete my analysis, but yeah, I think here. And then there we go. Delete all. Damn it, but did it delete also my other ones on the other charts? Shit. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Now I just removed all my analysis on my other, but it's fine. For you guys, EURUSD, somebody said buy. I'm not seeing a buy here. This is H1. Definitely, you can see as I zoom out, the market is dropping. You guys can see right there. It's definitely a sell trend. I don't know if you don't have to get that deep. You can see these zones are very strong. Just from that high there, as the market was dropping, came down, came to give us another high on the previous low right there. So you can see that the market has been dropping. It's pretty much not a complicated one. There's another high there. So I just want to zoom into the current price. So let's just focus on what is happening here, because we know this market is selling. So let's focus on what is happening here. So you can see that EURUSD has been resistant to break that, obviously that high there. Definitely indicating selling possibilities there. We go into 30 minutes, we can see that a bit more. So whenever it came back into that zone to drop for a sell, definitely it was looking very powerful. So I'm going to go to 15 minutes and see is there any sell opportunities. I think we could have caught one now just before, I think half an hour ago when it spiked there, but it's definitely good for a sell. USD definitely good for sell. We have to give it time to start dropping, but with USD we're more or less looking at something similar to AUDCHF, because when I put in the trend lines and try to identify the pattern, you can pretty much see that if it doesn't break this low, I want it to break here for it to start really dropping crazy. So it has to come down, break that low. After breaking out, it will give us a sell trend, but still it's definitely good for a sell. I think we take these trades and then obviously I'll wait for it to actually take direction. Definitely I like this high here, for example. This high here would have been a clean sell, definitely a very good entry point. I mean, it moved very nice there. If I go to 1 minute, you can see also 1 minute is on a nice small downside momentum, so we should look to monitor these and take entries. USD is definitely selling. We can take these entries or just wait for it to actually take direction, but it's definitely good for sell. Let's go to USDCHF. Kelly was trading USDCHF last week, and as far as I remember, he had taken a buy, so he should be in profits. 4 hour time frame, let's look at USDCHF. I don't know, it's buying like crazy. USDCHF, very simple, you guys can see it. It's an uptrend. I'm gonna focus on the current price, H4. I'll just highlight a high and a low that I can see very strong. Previous high is there, currently creating a new low. Previous high is there, right? Previous high, new low, right? These are all the buying opportunities, because the market was going up, so we're looking for those buys. So even now we're looking for the buys. This is H4. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, to 1 hour. Look at that. So who can confirm this? USDCHF is doing the opposite and is moving the opposite of EURUSD. Crazy, right? You guys can see that. So USD is doing the same thing but facing down, and USDCHF is doing the same thing but facing up. I'm gonna highlight this low here that USDCHF is failing to break, just like the high that that USD is also failing to break. I wanna change the color. I wanna change the fill-in color to blue. This is to green. Green because that's my sheet. Why doesn't want to change? Green because that's my shine. This done. There we go. So that overall low is the low that we see USDCHF pushing off and going up. So USDCHF good for buy, definitely good for a buy. We go to 30 minutes. You can see that it's playing on that low there. So definitely very confident with it. If you look at it, we put the trend line right above to identify the pattern. You can see it very clean and nice there. I mean, all waiting for it to just break that and start going up. But remember, the rule number one that I always share in my videos and in my master classes, you cannot wait for a breakout to happen for you to enter the trade, because once the breakout happens, you're going to be a bit too late to take the trade. So the best time to take the trade is now. Definitely 15 minutes there, definitely pushing up. 5 minutes, is it confirming? 5 minutes also confirming. Came back to resist, giving us, the last entry point is here. And right now is currently where we're sitting. Where we are sitting is definitely an entry point. 1 minute, of course, is pushing up. Of course, 1 minute is trying to leave. Of course, 1 minute is pushing up because it's buy. This is good for a buy. So USD sell, USDCHF buy, AUDCHF. What do we do with that side again? AUDCHF we are selling. AUDCHF we're selling. We just scaled in there. And then let's look at another chart. I know people are 15:30 today, so the ones looking at NASDAQ, we spoke about NASDAQ. NASDAQ still definitely giving us more sell. We're looking for more sells there. And I think US New York Open today might give us even a stronger push to the downside. Let's speak about gold. Let's speak about NASDAQ. Is there anybody who trades US30? Let's speak about US30. Ooh, US30 is dropping nicely. 1 hour clean drop. Oh, it's looking so beautiful. Let's on US30, look at that. Previous entry point 2 hours. I think 2 hours ago, US30 was good for a sell on 1 hour. Is it still good for a sell right now? Can we sell? Let's say 30 minutes. 30 minutes looks like it's pulling back to the previous high, previous low, coming to give us a sell entry point. Okay, looks like there's an entry point available here. 15 minutes is sitting right on that. Look at this, guys. This is so crazy. So 30 minutes was saying that it's pulling back to give us a sell on that high, right? And 15 minutes is like, no, don't worry. I've already pulled back. I'm sitting right there. In fact, I've been resisting to fail to go above that. You can sell me, You can sell me right now. So you can see 15 minutes. This is 5 minutes. 5 minutes definitely good for a sell as you speak right now. 1 minute, very confident on that as well. So I am going in with a light sell on US30 right now. So I'm going to take, this is my RCG Markets account. I'm just in a 0.05, 2 of them. And then, yeah, just chill and wait for it to move, That's the US30. Let's see how it goes. I want to definitely make a lot of money of this. Also, I'm looking at New York Open, so anticipating very strong moves in USD as well. So yeah, guys, that's how it is for today. We spoke about US30 selling, NASDAQ sell, we spoke about USD sell, USDCHF buy, and AUDCHF sell. So AUDCHF sell. And what else? Yeah, that's pretty a lot of entries, opportunities that we spoke about today in the session. And yeah, guys, keep your notes. Already in profit of 600 Rand here on US30. So catching the trades live. Nothing better than this, man. Doesn't get better than this anyway. And yeah, I hope you guys caught entry points. Look out for more entry points, but let's keep trading. And yeah, man, if you haven't found your account, make sure you find your account with RCG, the only broker that I trust. I know your withdrawals would land, definitely. And if you have any problem, you can always just text us directly. I can always assist you because I work very close with RCG Market, and the vision is there, and yeah, it's very important, and I try my best to help you guys out all the time. 700 Rand already in profit, so you're moving nicely. So once it drops really heavy, I start holding about 10k profit. I'm scaling in on this US30. So yeah, guys, just that, stop broadcasting. 291 people today. Let me share the video. Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for coming late again today, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's session. So yeah, look out for that EURUSD. Look out for that EURUSD. What is that again? EURUSD drop. Yeah, EURUSD drop. USDCHF buy. AUDCHF sell. Yeah, these are all the drops. I'm not saying. So these are all the market directions. So yeah, look out for those drops on USD, drops on AUDCHF. This is and then what? I think bullish. USD is bearish, definitely. So. And I think, yeah, man, I think you guys all heard about everything we spoke about. See you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. And I promise tomorrow, I'll try to be on time, okay? Try to get up early in the morning, get my things done, prepare for my day, so that we have these sessions early in the day. But still money to be made. Money can be made any time of the day. Even if I came into the session 5 p.m., we're still going to catch entries. There's always money to be made. And that's the best thing, That's the best thing about forex trading anywhere in the world. And that's what's very important. And I hope you guys are enjoying these sessions. Let's do this. One thing very simple. You guys know I do this all for free. So what you want to do is simple. I'm going to share the link to the Telegram, to this group. Share it with people you will share in WhatsApp groups. This is free knowledge that I'm giving out here. A lot of people are charging crazy money. So there's free knowledge, free jams. This is the very first video that's going to go up on YouTube. We also are currently recording right now on YouTube. So if you are part of this session and you want to recap on anything, the video is going to drop today on YouTube. It's going to drop today on YouTube. So just make sure you can go watch it on YouTube and recommend to anybody else. And I'll send the link to the channel. And yeah, man, guys, all the best for today. Let's have a profitable one. And of course, man, trading with the biggest broker in the continental RCG market. From me, I'm out. Yeah, guys, we just wrapped up that session. You guys heard that was amazing. If you missed the session, obviously you're gonna catch it right here. If you are in the Telegram live, we caught 2 entry points. Actually scaled in an AUDCHF and caught a sell on US30. So we're still holding. And some people are even calling Alex Tiago from Telegram. They even call it. So if you didn't catch the previous live, make sure you catch the next one. Click on the link in the description. The very first link will make you open an account with RCG Market. That's the only broker that you must be trading with. The second one obviously will get you to open your account with Comit Capital. That is the only prep firm that exists. The rest I don't peep nothing. And then the third link will take you directly to the Telegram channel where you can join the lives on a daily basis in the morning, which of the chat. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bless, man.